Hey, what's up guys? It's Kayla with Wana-Ryd. This year, we're doing the biggest giveaway that we've ever done. Rather than just having one winner, we'll be randomly selecting 3 winners. For our second and third place winners, we have teamed up with American Suspension. Our second place winner will get the Ram Air Ride Kit, and our third place winner will get a 6-piston caliper. We're really excited about this new release from American Suspension. It's a 6-piston monoblock caliper, which means it's made from one piece of aluminum, so it's stronger, which equates to faster braking. The Ram Air Ride Kit comes with these shocks and a hand controller, which allows for quick adjusting depending on the weight of the bike. It also comes with this super tanker, so you don't have to wait. It'll be a quick release as soon as you hop on the bike. So for the grand prize winner, we are partnering with Ride Wheels, giving away a full set of their Race Light Series wheels. You get to choose which design you want to go with between the discharge, the inductor, and then not pictured are the relay and the phase. These wheels are the most lightweight, best quality design wheels that you can find, and we are giving away a full set. There's only 3 things you have to do to enter this giveaway. The first is to like the video, the second is to share the video, and the third is to comment as many friends as you can for extra chances to win. Be sure to follow Wana-Ryd because the winners will be announced on November 25th. Also, check out Wana-Ryd.com and use coupon code BF2021 for an extra 20% off of everything in your cart.